Oga, take your fake life. Take it elsewhere. I'm not a fake person. The screening form is here.
Is it card or? How much? Like £30.90. Yeah, it's cards. No. We need the and this is almost like 3 weeks now. We won't lose it.
Several days later.
Begoni? Yeah, I think yeah. By the right. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, that's okay. Hello. Hello. Yeah, good. I came to pick up my daughter's.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay. So, guys. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, bye. So we're going now. And find you. My Uber is there, and we go. Okay, let's go.
Take your seat. And they give us the business card or whatever. So, and here you have it. Like the top. My OT. I can't wait to see my daughter in this. I can't wait to see her in this, to be honest. She's going to look cute. All these, so I got it in 3 to 4 years. 3 to 4 years. And 3 to 4 years. All these cost me about £30.98. And the Uber money was almost £11. Let's say everything in total cost me £45 in total. Let's what is this? Funny baby, what kind of style is this? Okiki? I need to call your clothes upstairs, oh. Baby Gracie. Dance, dance, dance. Come on, dance for mommy, dance for mommy, dance for mommy.
3 days later.
Hey, we are here to unbox the package I got from Shein. All this have for my baby. Yes, if you don't know, I have a 3-year-old toddler. I know you must have seen from my previous video. This video or today's vlog or today's video is all about my daughter. Yeah, in the previous video you can see where I went to get a school uniform. Yes, I actually got her a new school uniform because I am tired. To be honest, guys, I'm tired of having to crack my head on what she's going to wear, what she's going to put on every time. But now I realized that the class she is now, she can actually wear a school uniform. So I went to this Begoni to get her a new school uniform, even though there's used to ones that we can get her just for the meantime. But why are we working? We are working, and we should be able to get her like the new one, even though they are quite costly, but we still need to like get it anyway. So I'm here. My husband went to pick her from school, and I want to unbox this package before she comes back. She has now outgrown all her shoes. All the things you're going to see here, there are shoes I actually got, but there are still some few things. I won't lie, I have unboxed, I have opened it. I just opened it and I realized that I'm meant to like film for you guys. If you're a lover of Shein product, come closer. Let's unbox together. This is the first shoe. I love this shoe so much. Like, guys, I'm going to be showing the what's it called somewhere, or maybe just place it on the bed here. But can you guys see this shoe? I'm going to get it too, because I've been seeing a lot of people wearing this shoe. This daughter of mine will be coming back from school, and I've got this too. Oh, sorry, I've got this. I know how they can be when they come back, a lot of noise, and this video will be disrupted. But you know, see, I got this. I'm going to just put them aside here. Wow, this is so nice, guys. Even though I don't really like the quality, this is nice. Like, from this place it's actually nice, but from here, no, I don't like the sole. But the actual one is pretty, and I like the color. That's why I put it in my car. People will be like, why is she buying from Shein? Why can't she buy, sorry, excuse me, why can't she buy designer for her child, blah blah blah. Oga, take your fake life, take it elsewhere. I'm not a fake person, and besides, my daughter has grown things so quickly, and I can't buy a designer. Even if she wants to get a designer, or if I want to get a designer for her, it will be maybe 1 or 2, until she gets to a stage that maybe, let's say, when she's like 10 or 7, 8 years, I can be buying loads of designer shoes for her. But for now, we'll maintain our Primark, our Shein, our Temu, everything. You can't judge me, and I won't judge you. This shoe is very nice. The quality is nice, and it weighs. And this is it. Can you guys see the sole? Can you guys see this side? It's so beautiful. So that's like four shoes like that. If I tell you guys that I personally did shopping for Gracie. Gracie is the main thing today. We did this too. This one, guys, looks like this Adidas shoe. So can you see? Can you see? It looks like this Adidas, this thing, just like that one has 3, and this one's just 2, and it's so beautiful. She has got something like this, but it's in red. But I like the fact that this one is in black and white, or black, white, and like a cream color. It's nice too. I just want to put everything in the box so that when she comes, you can see her reaction to it. I wish I can film a reaction, but knowing my daughter quite well, she will run away from the camera, except if she's not seeing the camera, because she would not see herself. This and that one, this is a beautiful one, guys. What I love most about this shoe is the sole. Can you see the sole? It's all this chewing gum sole. It's so beautiful, it's nice. Can you see the quality too? It's top notch. It's nice. See, guys, if you are part of people that are saying I can't buy anything from Shein, I don't want anything, this is not a paid ad though. I bought everything with my ad-end money, so it's not a paid ad. So just so you know. And I got this lovely gold shoes too for church. If you don't know, I'm a Christian, we go to church. And maybe for parties, like all these birthday party or something that requires maybe gold. So this is quite nice. This is beautiful too. Can you see? Beautiful. And it's chewing gum sole too. Like it lasts so well. Okay, so this is it here. I've got, let's unveil the shoe first before this one. I've got this one too. The pink shoe too. Oh. I think she needs a shoe rack now for her shoe collections. She has got some in her room and there are some that want to declutter. So this one too is beautiful. Can you guys see? It's beautiful. It has a star because my child is a star. So can you see? We got this. So there's one I got in 2 pieces. Not my fault, but it's actually, I don't know, I may give it to my friend's baby or post it on WhatsApp to see who is interested to buy, or I may use as a birthday gift for a baby of my child's shoe size. So can you see this one? The shoelace too is nice. Can you see? So beautiful. And I ordered belts for her. I opened this already, so I ordered this beautiful belt. She doesn't have a belt. She has never owned a belt before. This is the first belt she'll be owning, and this is nice as well. Can you guys see? And I got this beautiful 4-piece set. It's a romper. Can you see? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes in white, black, animal skin, and ash. So it's beautiful, ash or grey, anyone you call it. And this dress too. It comes in belt. It comes with belt. Yeah, this dress, she'll definitely wear leggings to this dress. So this is it, this lovely dress. I'm going to be posting the link down below to get all the shoes. If you like anyone, just comment, or you can screenshot. You can take a screenshot of it and put it on your, like when you get to the Shein app, there's a camera there. Just open your camera, put the shoe there. If you like anyone there, instead of going to the stress of, oh, can you send me the link, or can you send me this, I'll actually try my best to put the link. And if I don't, just screenshot any shoe you see here, or ask me in the comment section, and I will be so glad to send it to you. We don't get keep it. So, and I've got this wristwatch. This is always going to my wristwatch collections, to get a wristwatch, my wrist, like put on my wristwatch. And I can't talk too much, so I have to get out one of them. So I got it, and it came with this set of earrings. I don't know how much, but I think I'll be putting the amount maybe with the video. I'll be putting the amount. So that is it for, that is it.
Few moments later.
See your shoes. I told you.
See your shoes.
She bought a lot of shoes. You see?
I want to see your shoes. Shoes.
What's your shoes?
Ooh.
What's your shoes? She bought your watch.
Welcome back.
She bought you clothes. I told you she bought you. You see?
Hey, Baba Tano. Guys, now I said it that she has something like that one. Can you see?
You see?
Can you see?
She bought you a whole lot of shoes.
You want to try it on? You want to try it on?
Are you okay?
Mama,
Baby.
how was school today? You want to try them on? Yeah, off.
Wow, Grace is loving it. This is loving it.
Guys, can you see? Even with this 27, she has still got. Yeah,
Loving
yeah.
it.
Come and wear that one. Yeah, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Fast, 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 fast. Yeah. You need to remake your hair. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, all yours, okay?
They're all yours. Okay? Yeah, Gracie.
Yeah, stand up now.
Let her
Come on,
stand
go
up.
for
Yeah,
it.
Gracie, yeah, stand up. Stand up. Yay! Yay! It's so beautiful, guys. See. Yes, can you see? Yeah. Gracie, come now. Last one. Okay, Key.
This one, where is one?
Gracie, come.
What's waiting for?
Guys.
Out of the window.
I told you guys, I told you all. When it comes to Gracie, she doesn't stress a bit. Like, she doesn't stress. I told you all that she's going to run away from me when I disturb her too much. She has only worn like 4 or 5 of the out of the shoes, and she if you see the way she ran away, like, Mom, please, not again, not please, just leave me alone. And there's nothing I can do. I have to pause the video, or else, and you've all seen it, you can see like 4 or 5 out of the shoes that she has worn, and it's nice. So I'll just make her wear the romper so that you can see it on her body, the romper plus the wristwatch. Stand up. And gown, especially that particular gown, because I feel like the gown will be so small for her. This, she can't wear it. Can you see her leg? It's even showing. She can't wear this one. It's so short. It's so small for her. So guys, that's all for today. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for watching to this point. Please, if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, even to your enemies. I don't mind. Okay, we don't have enemies here, but if there is one, I know enemies will turn friends one day. So please kindly share to your loved ones, and also to my returning subscribers, my Odogu Parara. Thank you all for stopping by again. If by now you've not still subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're still thinking. Let me act like Bam Bam. Please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Okay, continue.
Hi guys.
Eh? Okay, continue.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back again to my page. We still need to like get it anyway. So I'm here. My husband went to pick her from school, and I want to unbox this package before she comes back, because if I babe, I have to film on silent video now. So